Hey everybody, this is a quick explainer video of how to use the new AI Teacher Assistant Performance Task Generator tool in Terra. So I'm in Terra, I'm in my HQ, it's my homepage with my tools on the left side and my resources on the right. And so I'm going to go to our AI Assistant. If you've seen our other videos, you know we can generate IEP goals, assessment questions, aligned to standards, and we can unpack the standards themselves. But now we've released our performance task generator. So this is going to help you generate those activities to measure the performance of your students. So you click on performance tasks, then you go to select the standard, and you'll see on the left side pop up your little standard search window. And so you can actually put in the organization or state you're going for. Let's just do Common Core. I'll select mathematics, and let's just do grade level 1. If I hit the search button, see all of the different standards for grade level 1 come up. And so I will just check off this one standard, hit add. Now it's loaded over here. I want this to be a visual, auditory, kinesthetic, or tactile. Let's say tactile. And then for our special educators, if you want, you can paste in the IEP goal actually for your student and select their learning difference. And also if they're using an assistive device, I'll leave those blank for now. And then you just hit generate. And what you'll see is our AI Teacher Assistant will start to outline a performance task aligned to the standard that we selected. It gives you a description, it lays out the materials that you need, it lays out all of the steps of the actual activity itself, so the procedures. And you can see it's doing this in a matter of seconds. So this is going to take you no time. And then what's amazing about this is once it's all over, you can copy this using this little button here, or you can actually download it into a document and use it in your classroom if you'd like. You can copy it, you can put it into your planner and your lesson plans. And what you'll see is at the end, it actually tells you what the learning outcome should look like and also how to assess students based off of this task. And finally, it closes with an explanation of how this is aligned to the learning style that you selected. And of course, like everything, you can select a language to translate it in as well if you need to. So there you have it, how to use Performance Task Generator and how to use the ability to copy, download, translate. We just generated an entire activity in less than a minute. Pretty amazing stuff. Try it out. It's free to try here at Terra, and we hope to